Wel, tasyn Shenharra and Shen Gaultas vic Charlie as Molly Caine dan gistio maronish Traaue am grey och tamult fordanish slickly feet bleeding fully na smoo trodden Traaue a ve on shore och trodden Traaue Manninagh ton gint ons Acht Manninagh an Acht a lei ec na Manninagh son Traaue. So Shen a feather vel shen on shore son an trodden Traaue Charlie Caine. An Casla de Traaue Cajun a fair the row the Manninagh henke de Acht son Chinde and Ma Ker the Forden Harish ons Acht in Jach nach Traaue Oru Ginu Rau the Obba an Traaue Trevi Gint son Gurliger and Tolo son Ker and Ras ons an Acht Manninagh the Towers Gyara an Era treated to Ker and Era chen Garrett ek skin as to skin Gyara and Era as to Rud Elieron to Ginu Ray and Bun J and Era. So for the smoo Ajak the Hegel try to Gill och to as faggot lesh Bun to Ray red and Rascurit as to pish Elia Mashaw faggot as try to get them and clean ten clean chit Tezen and pish erd and pish surger as ten ua scaled harish na rassen to frail der avon. So to pish Mashaw ten clean chit harish as to scale an ua an era an erd an erd jane era as to shen Corda and ras to faggot bun an era. What's it tickle? The Ajak the Lua Tretu Faggoty, actually. And Rud Smoo Scan Show, Shen the Lyric and Traaue Vigentids V Girach, a new Veg, Luben, Chitstjach, to Tadson to Ginu and Traaue to the Menach Grey. Oh well, for Clach on as Ren and Kier Glaziach Began Kindergrishan Clach Lechtelen. And Elshin Giri clashed in Lechtelen. Tashin Giri Fagan, Eric and Fifi Girak Gull just cat got a skin Fifi Girak Shannon Rud to a shira so Shannon Rud Smoo Scan Show. As a narrod, Lyrig and butt tret and cledden butt gent, Lyrig of a ray. So a new veg, Rud Mashaw, Egan Bai, Egan Tajach, and new veg shen, Lyrig the Holy Rud v ray. Lug shen to oats the freelance cognac, the Velen and Bunje and Acht Manninagh, shen son Gethen. Liavi vai son and ras the laie so shen fi scan show Lyrigan and Liavi ve fi ray Lyriga ve gin tool red vis na rassen tudjum stjak as getting calch so to shen fi scan show as esht to giri fag and Mulloch J and Era ve Fifi Glen as Hanil Kistagray Gyarak and Kuditstjak on the other ve just Gent Kui Gin Rud Spooler and Achti Jiken as an Rud Stjerry Hanind Fair the Ragan, Mavis fair fos Ragan, Hanelua Corder and fair the cat as once in Yarach be and ras gas might you or be fair gas yes. So Lyric Ulju and fair the Cuddet foe as Shen stap and fair they ons such the Shenharra leis an ras to geri gas. Mus kid bladen begin the smoon a kid bladen of the henna. The shock rud fifi vua ons ons bladen na erni to ved chit gus led me trotten Traaue. As the show salsiga de na erni vagiri goile mail Dania to fi achtel leis shairacht as an kiecht. So the show such the just a great job application mutu genu but the Traaue fifi vai slickly to be for the smoo care Dutch causna fail by Erniach and Yak Nenji na Gelderson. So Shenharra vi gol tajak onsa tajak as for ondren fifi vuron ons na len shokai ons na blinten well kid bliden of the henna the ram ergud regethen son causna yed ma show nish Tammy golan ons trodden and Traaue further Roma edge in a way as van egga ginaway as an egga ginaway slickly to show just Angie and culturims to me smunion to an enerims tammy Manninagh bonus hadel monner to me guess na len show och to first put the hollow imps te ons een voelims met tammy my Vanninagh tammy Manninagh as tammy Gill Caine Shenharra as smiley me as smiley chit quailrish all yon slang yes.